God. Oh, look like a little baby. Stop snoring.
Neck's tilted the wrong way, I guess.
Still getting some snores out.
Haha, I got you on my video. I'll put you on my video.